Hey crypto enthusiasts! Ever wondered what happens to all those coins and tokens you've been diligently accumulating on Gemini? Can you turn that digital gold into, well, actual gold, or at least some spendable cash? Buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the world of Gemini withdrawals. Now, Gemini is a popular platform for buying, selling, and storing a wide range of cryptocurrencies. It's a secure and user-friendly environment, but what if you want to take your profits and head to the real world? Can you withdraw cash directly? The suspenseful answer is yes and no. It depends on what you mean by cash. Let's break it down. Withdrawing fiat currency, USD, Euro, etc. If you have US dollars, euros, or other fiat currencies sitting in your Gemini account, then congratulations. You can absolutely withdraw that money as cash. Gemini offers two main methods for fiat currency withdrawals. Bank transfer, ACH. This is a free and convenient option for domestic withdrawals within the United States. However, it can take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Wire transfer. This is a faster option, but it comes with a fee. Wire transfers are typically processed within one business day, but the exact cost depends on the amount you're withdrawing and your bank's policies. Important note, before you get too excited, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, make sure the funds in your account are actually available for withdrawal. If you recently bought crypto using a debit card, there might be a holding period before you can withdraw any cash. Additionally, Gemini may require additional verification for large withdrawals. Selling crypto for cash. Alright, but what if all you have is cryptocurrency on Gemini? Don't worry, you're not stuck. Here's the beauty of the platform: you can easily sell your crypto for USD or other fiat currencies. Once the sale is complete, you can then proceed to withdraw the cash using the methods mentioned earlier, bank transfer or wire transfer. What about withdrawing physical cash? Now, this is where the no part of the answer comes in. Gemini, like most cryptocurrency exchanges, doesn't offer the option to directly withdraw physical cash, like bills you can hold in your hand. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets, and Gemini operates primarily in the digital realm. Exploring alternatives, crypto debit cards. However, there are alternative ways to access your crypto like cash. Here's a cool option to consider: crypto debit cards. These cards allow you to spend your crypto directly at merchants or withdraw cash from ATMs. While Gemini doesn't currently offer its own branded debit card, there are third-party options available that work with Gemini accounts. Just be sure to do your research and choose a reputable provider. Security first, double-check those withdrawals. No matter which withdrawal method you choose, security is paramount. Here are some golden rules to remember. Double and triple check the withdrawal address. Sending crypto to the wrong address is a permanent mistake. Make sure you're copying and pasting the correct destination address before confirming the withdrawal. Beware of phishing scams. Never share your Gemini login credentials or one-time passwords with anyone. Gemini will never ask for this information via email or text message. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it much harder for unauthorized access. In conclusion, flexible withdrawals for your crypto needs. So, there you have it. While you can't directly withdraw physical cash from Gemini, the platform offers convenient and secure ways to access your funds as fiat currency. Remember, you can either withdraw existing US dollar to euro or sell your crypto for cash before initiating a withdrawal. Withdrawing crypto can be a smooth process, but always prioritize security. By following these tips, you can confidently manage your Gemini account and turn your digital assets into real-world spending power. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.